Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to activate or deactivate the open world activities tracking suggestions in Dying Light the Beast, so stay with me and enjoy watching! As the first step, you have to open the settings. To do it, move over here and open options, or just press the O button on your keyboard. Now move to the HUD option, and in the first section we can see the OWA tracking suggestion. The OWA stands for Open World Activities. It is the suggest tracking of nearby OWAs, so make sure that you activate this option or hide it if you want to make your game harder. All depends on your obviously preferences. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!